Welcome to AJ Manufacturing's training video on adjusting an emergency exit door. AJ Manufacturing builds an emergency exit door that is second to none. And prior to leaving AJ, these doors are squared and adjusted in perfect environmental conditions. At the job site, however, outside of the control of AJ, the doors need to be adjusted because of squareness issues. These squaring issues can be caused by uneven concrete or even dome fabric pulling the door one way or another. Because of these real-world contributors, AJ has built in a few adjustments to overcome the squareness issues. As you can see here, a push or a pull on the frame will cause the operator to hike up off the sill or possibly drag on the sill. Once you have the doors installed and your building is up, you will definitely need to adjust the doors to your real-world conditions. To do these adjustments, it's going to require a few tools. First, you will need a ratchet wrench, a 9/16 socket, a 5/16 hex head with an extension or an Allen wrench, a channel locks, and a flathead screwdriver. On this door here, we created a sag in the door where the door handle side of the door is dragging on the sill. For this, we will start our adjustment at the top of the door using the adjustments on the pillow block. Using your 5/16 hex head wrench, loosen the two hex head bolts in the slotted holes in the top pillow block. This will allow you to move the pillow block toward the hinge side jamb to lift the sag out of the door. Or in the opposite scenario, move it away from the hinge side jamb to lower the handle side of the door. Once you have finished making your adjustments to the pillow block, retighten your hex head bolts. Make sure they're good and snug. Once the pillow block is completely tightened down, be sure to check the reveal on the bottom of your door. This is your goal, to make a perfect straight reveal on the bottom of the door. The bottom pillow block works the same as the top one, except your adjustments will be the opposite. Moving the pillow block toward the hinge jamb will lower the opposite side of the door, and away from the hinge side jamb will raise the handle side of the door. Remember, your adjustment goal is to create equal spacing between the operating door and the sill all the way across. Again, after each adjustment, be sure to check your reveal. Once you get your sill reveal looking really good, you still have one more adjustment that you can do, and that would be to raise the entire door up or down. It should not change your reveal other than the height of it. Using your channel locks and the bottom pillow block bearing adjustment, you can raise the entire door. By turning it clockwise from the top, it'll raise the door slightly. By turning it counterclockwise, it'll lower the door. This will give you up to an 1/8 of an inch adjustment up or down. Now that you have your door adjusted where the reveal across the sill is all equal and the height you like, You will need to adjust the pivot bearing bracket. This is located at the bottom center of the door on the inside. The 4 9/16 bolts will need to be loosened and the bracket adjusted up or down and square to the sill so that the wheel will stay in the guide track without dragging. Now that you have adjusted your hinges and your pivot bearing bracket, your door should work fantastic. If not, you may need to go back and do a few more adjustments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this training video. If you have other questions, please feel free to call AJ Manufacturing or go to our website at ajdoor.com.